Hey there, young bakers and parents. Get ready to unleash your culinary creativity with Mojo's Easy Bake Oven Mixes for Children Play. A delightful 6-pack refill kit featuring cupcakes, brownies, and cookies, all in one. These mixes are designed with kids in mind, making it super easy for them to follow along and bake with minimal adult supervision, boosting their independence and confidence in the kitchen. Packed with safe, child-friendly ingredients, our mixes are free from artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives, ensuring a wholesome baking experience every time. With this variety pack, there's something for every young baker to enjoy and share with friends and family, sparking joy and deliciousness all around. The Mega Refill Pack guarantees hours of baking fun, allowing kids to explore different recipes and experiment with flavors, turning the kitchen into a playground of imagination and learning. As they measure, mix, and decorate their baked creations, kids develop essential life skills, making this not just a baking kit, but an educational adventure. So, let the baking fun begin with Mojo's Easy Bake Oven Mixes, where every batch is a new opportunity for creativity and learning. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.